Welcome back. Well, if you've ever had new flooring installed, chances are the folks doing the installation have had plenty of life experience. The average age of floor installers, 56 years old.
Yeah, the Floor Covering Education Foundation, now that was created back in 2020 to address the challenges facing the industry, one of those being a focus on bringing in a new generation of installers. Here to share more about that, Deb DeGraaf from DeGraaf Interiors, and we've got the CEO of the World Flooring Covering Association, Scott Humphrey. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Deb.
Good morning.
Thanks for being here. So let's talk about this foundation. I'm assuming a lot of people who are hearing this may be hearing it for the first time. Why was it formed?
So there's people even within our industry that sometimes even today they're hearing about it for the first time. Sure. And as the chair of the foundation and Scott and myself and another friend of mine just goes back to 2020, just had this idea standing in a parking lot that we need to do something, because that's one of the biggest pain points for independent retailers like DeGraaf is having installers and new installers and people that are aware of the industry. So. But we formed it to just basically spread the word that installing professional flooring is a viable career, yeah. And you can do very well in that career. We just have to tell people about it.
And besides educating the public, there are other things that you're doing to try to encourage more people to get into this trade.
Yeah, one of the first things we had to do was market the trade. Many people didn't know the trade existed. We've had conversations with people in trade schools that said that's a thing. And the reality is we're going there first, training them, and then actually finding bodies, putting butts in the seats, getting them aligned with training organizations where they get trained, and then helping to place them. And then the scholarship funds, the organization that Deb heads up, the Floor Covering Education Foundation, is really about making sure that finance is not a deterrent to people entering the trade.
Okay, so this is that's really your mission then of this foundation, is to not only bring in this new generation, to make sure it's accessible to them.
Exactly.
Right? So we'll talk about these scholarships. Who's eligible for these scholarships?
So really we're looking at high school graduates, or those that have graduated high school recently and into your probably, 20s probably, that maybe are in a career right now that they're not in love with, or they maybe don't know what they want to do and they're not college-bound kids. And this is a trade like plumbing, like electrician, that is a viable option for them. And many of the other trades are ahead of us in regards to training and paid training and the word. I mean, everybody knows there's electricians and plumbers.
Sure.
Yeah. So we wanted to have a foundation that would provide scholarships for the training that's needed. And another one of the challenges is the training was only in one place. Yeah. So one of the things that DeGraaf is doing is bringing training here locally to Grand Rapids, so that if somebody says, I want to try that, well, they don't have to go to Texas or Georgia for the training. They can stay home, go home at night, be with their family and friends, but get an education at the same time.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so what are some of the expectations for someone if this sounds appealing to them and they want to pursue this? What does this look like?
One of the first things they can do is go to fcef.org. That's the website created for this organization. It tells them all about the opportunities that are there. And I'll add to what Deb said. I'm on the grant committee, so when somebody puts in for a grant, I'm one of the ones that approves that. Last week I had a person come through with a college degree, because I think the statistics, something like 70% of all people who have a college degree work outside of that degree. And so we've done a really bad job over the last 10, 15 years telling people you've got to go to college. And a lot of those people have trade skills. And over the next 10 years, the jobs that are going to be sought out will be the ones that you can do with your hands, because we're not the only industry that's lacking in that regard. It's all over.
Yeah, as you mentioned earlier, plumbers, electricians, we've heard for the past decade that trade skill jobs you guys are really looking for workers. Yeah. So when it comes to getting information about this class, you mentioned the website. How long does it take for someone to learn this trade? Is this like a 2-year degree? What does it look like?
So the initial training class is a 5-week class.
Okay.
So it's like your full-time job for 5 weeks, and realizing, I mean, the installers are the backbone of our industry, right? So realizing that you're not going to learn that trade in 5 weeks, you're going to get a very big head start on that. And then coming out of the class, you're put with a seasoned installer, and you're going to kind of apprentice with him for a longer period of time. And if you have aspirations of having your own business and being your own contractor and running your own business, then that opportunity is open to them, and that's where the biggest opportunity is for these gentlemen and women that come out to get trained for for that period in June. So
I think one of the most interesting things is we have a large group within the industry called CCA Global, and at one point they were polled, and it said that 40% of all of their retailers started as installers.
Huh.
So there's a lot of opportunities once you start on your knees, as we say, and then work your way through the industry to get into something else.
That's amazing. So there's definitely room for growth.
Yeah.
yeah, absolutely.
So then there's a class coming up then?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. It starts middle of June.
Okay.
Because we want to wait for those kids to get out of
Sure.
high school, and we're hosting it right in Grand Rapids here, and it will last 5 weeks. Take a little break over 4th of July. But yeah, we're excited to get people signed up for that and scholarships given for that.
Well, let's get that full up. Let's get it all
Yeah.
full
Yeah.
up, right? DeGraaf Interiors. Let's get the everybody get there. Floor your future. I like that. Who came up with that?
Yes, right? That is great.
FloorYourFuture.com. As you heard, June 12th through July 18th, 5-week little break over the holiday. You can get more information about the Floor Covering Education Foundation. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank
this
you,
morning.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.